Looking to create perfectly balanced columns on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the equal column height feature from Nextblock. Perfect for creating equal column heights in your container block, even if one column has more content than the other. Whether you are creating equal height by targeting one element or want to target multiple elements, I'll guide you setting it up without any custom CSS. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Nextblock's free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Nextblock's free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the equal column height feature. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for equal column height. This is the option. Simply enable it. Let's see the equal column height option in Nextblocks. As the name suggests, this option allows you to create equal heights for columns. Keep in mind, this option only works with Nextblock's own blocks. It will not work with other blocks, and you will find this equal height option with blocks that has column layouts like the container block, listing blocks, etc. For example, we have some testimonials over here. This text description is causing the difference in height. So we need to find the class of this element. For that, you have to use inspect element to find the class name. Let's go to the front end first. We need to find the CSS class of this text element. So right click, go to inspect. So this is the container where we have this text. For this, we don't have any unique class. So we'll select the parent container. This is this one. Let's copy this testimonial content text. Now let's get back over here. We have this container selected. Then go to advanced. Then go to next equal height. Now enable the equal height toggle. Now we have to add the class with dot. Let's paste it. Let's get back over here. We need to target this class. So we'll copy this entry content. We'll add space, add another dot, and add this class. So we are targeting this entry content class inside this testimonial content text class. Now to see the effect, simply click on apply equal height button. As you can see, it has created equal height for the text description, resulting in equal height of the columns. That is automatically making all the columns equal height. Now let's see another scenario. Here we have a pricing table with different heights. Let's see what is causing the difference in height. As we can see, this listing is causing difference in height in the table. As we did previously, we need to find the CSS class of this listing. Let's right click, inspect. We need to find this container. So this is the container. Let's copy this class. Let's come back over here. We have the container selected. Let's go to advanced. Then go to next equal height. Enable the equal height toggle. In the enter unique class, let's add dot and then paste the class. And then click on this apply equal height button. As you can see, all the tables are in equal height. Now in both the examples, we saw difference in height is caused by one element only. Now let's say this example. Here we have a unique case where the difference in height is caused by this description text as well as the heading as well. So we need to target both the classes at once. First, we need to find the class of this heading. Let's right click on inspect. This is the title. Let's copy this service title. Let's come back over here. We have the container selected. Let's go to advanced, next equal height, and then enable the equal height toggle, and let's add the class. Let's come back over here. Now let's find the class of this description. Let's come back over here. Now let's add a comma and then let's add the second class. By adding a comma, we can target multiple classes at once. Now let's click on apply equal height button. Now all the columns are in equal height. As you can see, the titles and the description both are in equal height in all the columns. So this is how you can create equal columns using the equal column height option in Nextblocks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.